But before we go any further in the video, I want to give a big shout out to today's sponsor, which is Babbel language learning software. With summertime here and travel season in full swing, now is an excellent time to start either learning a new language or brushing up on a language that you've learned in the past. For me, I need to brush up on my German, which I took in high school, and I have a very rudimentary understanding, but it's been years since I've really used it, and I wanted to get a little more fluent since my wife and I are talking about visiting Europe in the next few years, and she knows French, and I figured if I was a little bit more fluent in German, then it would be a perfect match for some of the countries we want to visit. And what I really like about Babbel is that it teaches you real-world practical conversations that you can use in your relationships, in travel, as well as in business. And as a busy dad who's taking his family across the country in an RV and running a full-time business, time is not on my side. And what I love is that these are broken down into short 10-minute interactive lessons.
Willkommen in Berlin.
Danke.
Willkommen in Berlin. Montag.
Dienstag.
Dienstag.
And it makes it real easy to go from your computer and then transition into the Babbel app and be able to continue learning that language on the go.
Mittwoch.
Freitag.
And Babbel's not going to pigeonhole you in one particular way of having to learn that new language. They offer games, podcasts, as well as live teaching classes with top teachers. When I'm trying out something new, I love knowing that the company backs what they are offering, and Babbel offers a 20-day money-back guarantee. So I invite you to check out that link in the description box below where you can get up to 65% off your subscription to Babbel and start learning a new language today. And with that, let's go ahead and get back to it.